Sit back and relax, watch the scene and look out for the way the characters are treating each other.
You look nice today, let's go, nice hair.
That's a compliment, isn't it?
I've really enjoyed the session today. It's been really interactive. It's generated a lot of thought-provoking conversations with my colleagues as well.
I found the session really interesting. It's really made me think differently about my approaches to people.
It's a really interesting time to be part of this change with Digital because they're a new business to Aviva, so they've got a lot of energy, so they want to make sure that they get the culture absolutely right.
I wanted something different. We can have lots of conversations around diversity. I wanted to bring it to life. I know that people hate doing role plays, but what I do know is they like critiquing it, and the role that Steps played was to bring real life situations to drama.
At Steps, what we do is we use drama to explore behaviour within the workplace.
I loved the drama. It made the topics come alive a lot more. It made it much more engaging and just something different, something to get you out of your day job.
When someone's up in front of you and when you're watching someone like kind of fake that kind of emotional reaction, it taps into kind of your emotions.
We wanted to understand what our culture was like from a diversity point of view, and rather than ask people, we wanted to explore through discussion and drama what people felt like.
Tom O'Reilly was very keen that it was a very engaging session, so we had internal speakers from Aviva Digital, we had lots of slides, exercises and drama.
I do worry. I don't want to see someone 6 months down the line burning themselves out.
And all during the session, what I would encourage you to do is think about what is it that you do that supports a gender-balanced environment or doesn't. Really focus and reflect that for yourselves.
The whole course has made you think, through seeing some of the scenes that people are doing, it's just really got you thinking, got you kind of saying, this is what I need to do.
We all have to accept that we have those biases, female as well as male, and in order for us to look at that, we have to look at ourselves without judgment. We enabled, I think, a safe space for people to see what the reality was without it being personally challenging.
Maybe if you changed your tone, and with Naomi, that you might get a better relationship or what you want out of her.
People want to work with me, believe it or not.
The one takeaway would be to just start questioning the things that I do and the decisions that I make, and just be more educated about my thoughts of other individuals and situations.
Being more mindful of how other people might be feeling or what experiences they might be having in Aviva, like what kind of gender biases they might be facing.
The main thing I learned from today is just how much goes on within the workplace and people don't realise. I think this course needs to be wider spread so more people can benefit from it.
I think there's really a long way to go, and sessions like this can only help us break down some of those barriers.
The result of that collaborative working relationship with Digital is we end up with a fantastic product that really did its job.
Even though I've been part of many workshops in Aviva, this was the one that sparked the imagination, and the passion was off the scale.
It's been a really, really good and enjoyable experience.